Hello, in this section you can create customized documents for your business, such as contracts, waivers, or release forms. I'll guide you through every step. The first step is to assign your form a meaningful name so it will be immediately recognizable and easy to find in the future. Copy the text of the document you would normally have signed on paper and paste it into the text editor. As a source, you can use a PDF, Word file, or any other format. At this point, you can start editing the content by replacing the dotted lines with the corresponding buttons. Simply drag the relevant fields into the text area, right where the dotted lines were. For example, if your contract says the undersigned, first and last name, followed by dotted spaces, you can replace those blank spaces with the buttons for first name and last name. When you're done, click on the blue Preview icon to view the final result, and then on the green Save icon to save your document. For each type of document you create, you will have predefined fields available. If you need to add more custom fields, you can easily create them in the Settings area under Base Settings, where you'll also find another video tutorial to guide you through the process. Good work, and thank you for using our software.